Hell freaking yeah. Let's go, baby, let's go. Trying to make some money. Been waiting for you. Yep, even my birds are happy. Let's go, look at that. Wreck this city. Yo, that's my bird. She's like, yo, boy. All right, time to rock and roll. Let's fucking go. Look at this shit. What's up, boss? Morning, how are you? Gotta do this whole block. Trying to make the money. I'm dying. Look at this shit. From 6 a.m. All of our houses, all of our apartments done. Got the machines out. Got the shovels out. It's one house. And it's just still coming down. Salted and everything. 2 houses done. Three salted and still getting covered. Our cars are done. House number 4, salt. Done. 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 But it's gonna be snowing all night, so that's a good thing. Our backyard's done. Our machines. Dunzo. Look at this. We did it at 6 in the morning, and it's already like another couple of inches. Haven't even started using this machine yet. All our salt. What's up, potato? Look at that. Look at that. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Yo, give me a kiss. Good job. This is crazy. To be continued. We can't even get out from one side here. This side's completely done. This is the only way I could get out this morning. This is fucking nuts. It'll be like this for 2 days, baby. Nice little workout, nice little paycheck. Yo, look at that shit whipping, bro. That shit, I'm blinded. Look at the fucking wind. This is fucking nuts. My man here going with the fucking truck. He's about to get paid. I need a truck. I need a truck just like that. Look at that shit. That's what I need. That's how you make a couple of grand a day. This is crazy. Round 2. It's like it's like we did nothing this morning. Holy shit, man. What the hell, bro? Oh. Alright. Well. This hasn't been touched. This is an indicator of how bad it is. Okay? Relax. My bird's going crazy. She probably wants to come out and play. Yeah. Unreal. Well, at least it kind of stopped for now, but it's gonna be snowing all night and all day tomorrow. So there we go. Round 2 of probably 4 shifts. Ain't getting in that greenhouse. Not for maybe a month. Alright, maybe a couple of weeks if we could get through. This is insane. This is nuts. Holy crap. Wow. It's pretty cool though. I love it. It's beautiful. Bro, it's like I did nothing. Like I did nothing this morning. Yo. Oh my God. You know what we did this morning? Absolutely nothing. After a few hours, this is our snow machine. Look at the steps. Here it is. I had to dig my way to the machine. Wow. Oh man, this is brutal. Made my way to the sidewalk. No machine yet. I'll save that for this disaster. This is unbelievable. Wow. Look at that, man. All that work this morning for nothing. One man with the machine, the other man with the shovel. This is brutal. Oh my God. My goodness. All that work I did this morning for what? For what? What's the point of it? I guess so we wouldn't be 3 feet in the snow. I love it. It's even getting in our garages. Look at that. In the garage. Crazy. Woo! Hey, I was just coming to do your steps. You got him? All right, no problem. Oh, hey. Oh, wow, I'm getting attacked by wolves over here. Going nowhere? Grab a Snickers. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see, man. You can't really tell. But this snow is whipping hard. I mean, hard. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but dude, blinded. It's crazy. Oh man. Well, that car is screwed. Yo, it's nasty, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Look, you can see it. See the wind whipping. That's nothing though. It's bad. It's really bad. Listen to that wind. Yeah. Straight whipping into my face, bro. Can't even open my eyes. Yo, dead ass. It's like we're doing this and it's layering out again. It's like we're doing nothing. I mean, I guess, you know, it saves us from 6 feet of snow digging, but Jesus, man, this is insane. Look at my flamingo. See my flamingo over there? Probably wishes he was in Florida right now. Brutal, dude. Give up on this truck. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at this. I just literally did this. I literally just hit this. Like not even an hour ago, bro. Holy Christ. hit our bush, bro. Stop. Yeah, please stop. You can stop now. Oh my god. It's pretty beautiful though, but I'm exhausted already.